Good morning. It's Tim Seymour at 8:45, looking at markets that are healthier today, although we still have more commentary out of Greece that appears they will have to do something on the fiscal side to relieve the tension there and to minimize the chances of a downgrade that actually could be very painful for not only Greece but possibly the region. But looking at Asia over the night, China was weaker significantly, down 1.7%. A little bit of that, just some follow through from I think the close in the U.S. Also concerns on policy there. We're going to get a little more clarity from the Politburo later this week. India down 60 bips, Malaysia down 45, South Korea up 40 bips, Taiwan up 40 bips. So currency is very quiet into Eastern Europe, where again, the Greece spillover effect is very muted today. Russia, which has been underperforming, down about 20 bips, trading more or less with oil, but the currency is 65 bips stronger, and that was a currency that was off more than 220 bips yesterday. So currency volatility is something we talk about all the time, something that Russia has been showing signs of, despite the fact that this is a currency we think is very cheap and probably undervalued by about 20%. Expect that to be a trend to see strengthening over the next year, probably not in the short term. Turkey up a hair into Brazil, which has opened up 75 bips. Real stronger, so nice snapback in Latin America. Expect that today. And as we look to South Africa, down 48 bips with the currency also more or less flat. S&P's up 4.5 points. Dollar index down a hair. The Dixie overall on a 5-day chart is really unchanged from where we started to tick this move up. So kind of somewhere up in the 75 3/4 range, still kind of dancing around the 50 moving day average in a place where, although I would say we got confirmation of that is above yesterday, charts tell you the dollar may want to tick back down below, but something everybody is watching and looking to the data this morning. Very little to trade off of. In fact, the United States is into kind of earnings warning season. We've had pretty good previews out of Texas Instruments and out of FedEx the day before. So watching that for impetus for the markets to trade higher right now. We really are watching a sideways trade in developed markets and a bit of a flight to quality away from risk, and I think that continues. Thanks.